Good day, you're welcome to my channel once again. And today we'll be considering the WAEC 2025 Mathematics Objective. Today we'll be considering question 1. So the question 1 is on the volume of a cone. So you are given that the volume of a cone of height 18 centimeter is 8,216 centimeter cube. So the volume is 8,316 centimeter cube, and the cone has the height h 18 centimeter. So find the base radius of the cone. So the radius of the cone is unknown, and that's what we are looking for. So since the volume is given, we use the formula to obtain the volume of a cone. The formula is volume equals 1 over 3 by r square h. Note our pi is given as 22 over 7. Pi equals 22 over 7. So by substituting all our terms, we have the volume is given as 8,316 equals to 1 over 3 times pi 22 over 7 times the radius r squared, which is the unknown, times 18. So hope you are following me. So we proceed. 3 here 1, 3 here 3 here 6. So here we have 8,316 equals to 22 over 7 times r squared times 6. So from here we have 316 equals to 22 times r squared times 6 over 7. 316 equals to 22 times r squared times 6. 22 times 6, that will be 132 times r squared, that will be 132 r squared over 7. We can cross multiply from here. And please, if you watch my video to this length, I think you should be able to learn one or two things. And I'll urge you to use this video to like and also subscribe to my channel. Please, let's continue. So we can cross multiply from here. When we cross multiply, we have 8,316 times 7 equals 132 r squared. So 8,317 equals 132 r squared. So we can multiply this. Let's try. This times this gives 50,212, and this still remains 132 r squared. So we are looking for this unknown. So we can divide both sides by the coefficient of the unknown. 132 divided by 132 is r squared. So we are going to have r squared to be equal to 15,212 divided by 132. So which gives 441. So since we are looking for r squared, we can square root both sides. So by square rooting both sides, the square root of this and the square root of this will be plus or minus this. The square will take away the square root. So r will be plus or minus square root of 441. So r will be, the square root of 441 is plus or minus 21. So our answer can either be r can be equals to 21 or r can be equals to minus 21. So let's go to the option and pick our answer. Go to the option and pick our answer. So from the option, A is 21 centimeter, which is very correct related to our answer. B is 14, C is 28, D is 42. Our correct answer is 21. like, share, and comment.